Today we're going to make a wild rice pilaf with an air-fried tilapia with the garlic butter from Marine Harvest by Moe. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to get started with the rice. We're going to put it in our rice cooker, and we're going to add our vegetable stock. Alright, so while the rice is cooking, we're going to go ahead and chop all of our ingredients. Alright, now we're going to take our tilapia and put it in the air fryer with the butter. Alright, now we're going to add the butter, our thyme, and a bay leaf. As soon as it starts to get fragrant, about 30 seconds to a minute, we're going to add all of our veggies. Alright, we're going to saute this for about 4 to 5 minutes until everything starts tenderizing up a little bit. Alright, now we're going to get the rice and pour it in.